Have you ever seen the flip side of Myrtle Beach?
Flip side?
That's right. We're gonna take you on the front side of the boardwalk. Let's go. Take a look. Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and earlier I showed you the boardwalk. Now I'm gonna take you down on the sidewalk of Ocean Boulevard. Let's go take a look. As you can tell, it's a whole lot busier on this side. I think this is where the young people like to walk the sidewalks, venture into some of the stores, and just ride a golf cart. And who else wouldn't? And we're still fighting that nasty storm. And it looks like everybody's cleared out now, except for those good old golf carts.
And every so often you can get a nice smell of the devil's lettuce.
Yes, indeed.
So right here is where they're gonna put that indoor putt-putt for Ripley's. And they said they'd have it fixed by spring, but it looks like they're still working on it, I guess.
We got plenty of time.
Down here you can get you a tattoo or anything.
Cold beer.
Cold beer. Here's your New York pizza kitchen.
Family dining.
Just like in New York, they got South Carolina pizza.
New York pizza.
Oh yeah, they probably have New York pizza in New York. I'm not sure what he said, but there's Burger Paradise right here.
And there's the I love pineapples. If you see those pineapples right across the street, Beatbox. If you see those pineapples walking down the street, I'm sure this will open because that's been like something very big up here in Myrtle Beach this weekend, or this year.
Sorry.
There's the arcade. If it does start raining, everybody's going to flood that.
Ripley's, right here on the corner. So inside that large place, you got the baseball, bowling, and all kind of arcade games.
All right, if you get a chance to get up here this weekend, they're right across from the Ripley's, believe it or not, they're gonna have the Food Truck Festival. Food Truck Festival, that starts from Friday until Sunday. All kind of local food trucks will be out there and lots of fun. I think we went the last day on that Sunday and it was pretty packed, wasn't it, Beatbox?
It was very
beautiful
packed.
Weather. And lots of food. Alrighty, here's your pavilion with the volleyball courts again. And be careful walking on these sidewalks because it is unleveled pavement and you can turn your ankle. Looks like the sun is fighting to come back out.
Sure is.
So I think we have some more filming to do. How about you in the mood for some ice cream?
Look at these rails. I had these up, I think about this time last year is when they started installing them. And they're on both sides of the road. This is for you volleyball enthusiasts. Oh, look. You missed it. Alright, let's see here. And this is actually where the rides used to be for the Pavilion. But now they hold special events like Bunny Beach said, like the chili cook-off, food truck festival, and more. There's your beautiful ocean.
Hopefully one day they'll do something with this big open property right here.
Yeah.
And as you can tell in the far distance there, they've been working on that. We were wondering what it was.
Oh, up there?
Yeah, we thought it was parking garage, but I don't know if it's going to be a restaurant or maybe individual units, but they've come a long way in just a couple of months with it.
That was a look at the Boardwalk. I'll let Bunny B close us out.
Okay, well there you have it. That was the flip side of Myrtle Beach, Ocean Boulevard, the front side, right down the sidewalk. As you can see, we're starting to get a little busy down here. So if you do come to visit us during the Easter holiday or Mother's Day, make sure you like this channel, subscribe, and see what's coming up next so that you too can keep beaching.